Took a quick trip down to Target to see what they had in for back to school and college supplies. These are kind of for both because you know you can use water all year. These are the big ones that have the time and stuff on it. These are $20 and the colors are real nice. You can see the times there so you can monitor how much you're supposed to have for the day. And then they had these tumblers right here, and these say they keep up to 12 hours. And they had different drinks that you can keep in there, smoothies, boba tea, all kind of stuff for that one right there. And these all come with the straws. And then these are kind of like the Stanley Cup dupes, $25, and they are nice and big. And again, they have the straw in those. And then these, like in Target right now, they have all the college areas marked, and then they have the back to school area marked. These are like things: air fryers, waffle makers, coffee machines, all the things you need if you're starting out new in like a little apartment or a dorm. So the air fryer is $80. The coffee maker I think is $50. The waffle maker is $40. So you can grab some of those, and they're all great, so they go together. Essentials that you'll need in your kitchen, $3 for the majority of these, and then some of the utensils are like starting at $1, $2. This strainer right here, I think I showed that before because I love that. So $3 for that. They have the ice trays in different shapes. Like I said, all the utensils starting at $1, and then the other ones $3 for like measuring cups, can openers, things like that. And then you can coordinate because you can get them all the same color, even down to the drying mat. And this is a nice size drying mat, the Bright Room. These I've showed 100 times, but 50 cents. 50 cents. You get bowls, plates, cups. If you're feeling like you want to spend a little extra, they have these for $3, but the 50-cent ones work just fine. Those lamps, they have every college year, and they have little compartments so you can hold stuff, USB ports. $16 for those. And if you want to get fancy, they have fancier lamps, of course, at Target. These right here, so these are so cheap. They start at $10, but you can change that shade out and give it just a whole new look. You can get shade covers from IKEA, from Michael's, all over the place, and just give it a whole new look. Pillows right now and throws 20% off at Target, so you can decorate and have like a cute little space. That one says inhale exhale, so $8 and then 20% off. These mirrors, staples, $7 for those right there, and they go over the door. And then they have other cute little things like message boards, the seat pillows, like you can put them on your back, the laptop pillows, so you put that in your lap, and then you have the laptop up there. If you want to get a fancier pillow, mirror, then the $7 mirror, you can grab this one right here for $20. So this one is taller. You can use it as a floor leaner. These little floor pillows right here, they come in a bunch of different colors, $16. And then the school supplies, they have all the basics that you'll need. Pencils, they have sanitized wipes, what have you, that you can grab for $2.30. They have mechanical pencils, a 10 set for $1.90. They have other sets on sale for $6. So just a ton of stuff. Always with these, you want to just compare and make sure that you're getting the best bang for your buck. These index cards, $1.50. They have 1-inch binders in a bunch of different colors, $3.30 for those. And then they have 1.5-inch binders for $7 for those, and then $5 you can get the 2-inch binders. So like I said, they have a ton of like basic colors, and you can customize those and make them really cute. They have these big ones. I love these style ones. So $29 for this, but they have just like everything you need in it. So this is, I think, a 3-inch binder, and then it has the little separation pieces, all that good stuff that you can grab. Then they have this one right here, 5-star one, for $25. This one is a 2-inch binder, and you can see it has a bunch of little compartments and stuff on it. And that one came in a few colors too. More binder, like dividers that you can grab, highlighters, a bunch of different ones. So that pack about $9. They have those other brand, like the little short ones. These pins and stickers, $2, like a bunch of cute little pins. So if you're into those, stickers, so you can customize like your binder, your folders, all kind of different stuff. $2 for those. Then the Yobi, is that how you say it, brand? They have a bunch of stuff for there. So they have the pencils, and they notebooks are so cute, what have you and stuff. So a lot of something you pay in $2, $3 for a notebook, it's because it's cute, because you can get them for cheaper. They have little thermos. They have this little lunchbox that I thought was cute. So it is $10, and you can see the checkered print on it, but you can match it with the notebooks, and then you could be coordinated. I just thought that was cute. So they have a bunch of other ones. They have these little snack bags right here. So you get a pack of 3 for $10, and then the little pencil holders that you clip into the binder. They had those in different colors, $6 for those right there. Bunch of nice pins, just like everything you need for back to school right now. These little thermos cups right here. So these look like a lot of the styles they had last year, but you still need them. So this one right here, comes with a little spoon that is foldable, pop it open. And then this one right here, I don't know the price of this one, but I don't think it's $30. But they have a bunch of different like thermos for drinks, for soups, for all kind of different things. I used to put my daughter's like leftovers, I would heat them up in the morning and then put them in the thermos, and then, you know, by the time she has lunch, it would be great. Bento boxes they have for the kids, these little reusable Ziplocs, $8, and they come in fun prints. Dollar Tree had those for a quick second before they sold out too. A ton of lunch boxes. This one I thought was nice because it comes with this hard shell inside, so the things won't get, you know, crushed up. Thought that was cool. So a bunch of characters. Backpacks. I was surprised to see so many backpacks gone at my Target because school doesn't start here till September. But yeah, people are grabbing up the backpacks. So if you want some, you better grab them now. And the range was about $30. Some a little bit less, some a little bit more for those. This one I thought was nice. It was $40. I saw it in 2 colors. This one was like sophisticated, like an adult could wear this, a kid could wear this. Just really nice. These right here, so cute for the little kids. So it has a headset. It has the little like lunchbox there. It has a water bottle. So you get all of that for $25. And then they had it in the unicorn there too. So I thought that was cute. These little lunchboxes, so they snap all the way around. So your stuff is secure in those. And then the little Cat and Jack ice packs with cute little shapes, $5 for those. Utensil set that you can grab. These are more things for college, so $20 and under, they say. So the little hamper, so you get the hamper, you get the towels, you get all that stuff for $20, and then it matches. So based on which one you get, this little the little bathroom accessories. So if you want to carry them in and out, you can. If you want to leave them in the bathroom, you can. And those come in different colors, $15. This one, another bathroom set. So it has the shower curtain, the little rug, and all that stuff. And that comes in different prints, $20. Then of course, they have other bathroom stuff that you can always buy at Target. These little organizers, because a lot of college dorms and spaces, or just maybe in life, they're small spaces. So the Bright Room is great for organization. So they have a lot of stuff. This right here for the toilet paper holder, love this because you have your extra rolls at the bottom, your toilet paper roll right there, and then you can put your phone up top. $30 for the one with the phone up top. So I love that because it's just, you know, so many uses. Of course, the wash rags and the towels, they have a bunch of those. So the wash rags at $5 for those. A little clear bath mat, $8 for that. Little mirrors, organizational things, just a bunch of things. So that little caddy right there, $25. They have trays. They have tension rods for the shower if you don't want to put holes, $15. The little clear shower curtains that go, you know, behind the regular ones, $3 for those. Notebooks, like I said, just watch what you're getting with the notebooks. You want to make sure that you're getting the most bang for your buck, the most amounts of sheets, like the papers in there, for what you're getting. So just, you know, look around. But if you want like something, a really cute print, they have a ton of those. More pencil holders, so you clip those into the binder again, and then you just you zip it at the bottom there. $3 for those, and those come in a lot of nice prints. These right here, $3. But Dollar Tree does have some that are similar for $1.25. More cute pencil holders right here that you can grab, and they have a bunch of footprint. A ton of stuff, and Target is always great for a ton of stuff for locker decorating and organizing. They always have such cute stuff. So they have the shelves where you can elevate stuff, $16 for that one right there, and it's like a the sturdy one. But if you want something a little cuter, they have this one right here for $12. It's like a woven. They have the little organizational things, and it has the magnet, so you can, clip it onto the locker. So they have lamps, they have little decor pieces, they have sets where you can have the organization pieces, the mirrors, just all kind of different things. And you can see $10 and under for a lot of this stuff. Most of the stuff is just a couple of dollars, and you can grab it and organize. You can customize a lot of the stuff that you can use to organize your locker. So yeah, Target is a great place. They even have, you see the little turf, and they have the little faux fur. So the faux fur is like $7.40, and the turf is like $6. Planners, they have a ton of those to end out this year and go into next year. More cute pencil holders. Some of these they did have last year. They have those little bubble pop ones too. This I thought was cute because it's like a little pencil. It's soft, so it's squishy, but just a ton of different options. And then, like I said, if your kid likes the little poppy things, they have those $5 for that right there. And then they had those in a few different colors too. So yeah, just a ton of organizational things. And then Star Wars, if you're into Star Wars, your kid is into Star Wars, they have a cute little collection of school supplies for that. So they have the binders, they have these cute little journals that I think anybody could use. $10 for these right here. And the colors are just real pretty too. So if you are looking for a journal, you might want to check out the back to school area and grab you one of those. Even these scissors are cute because they have those saying on them $8 for those right there. So yeah, Target right now is packed with a ton of great stuff for back to school and college.